I'm Josh Lefkowitz, co-founder and CEO of Flashpoint. We are proud to be the largest private provider of threat intelligence globally. What we do here at Flashpoint is we combine human-powered uh, data and intelligence collection with intuitive technology and work hand in hand with the world's leading organizations to help them protect their most critical people, places, and assets. We've been building Flashpoint for the last 15 years, and we are extraordinarily proud to work hand in hand, arm in arm with many of the world's most demanding and discerning organizations. We partner with more than 750 customers globally, including all 20 of the largest US financials, six of the seven largest global technology firms, five of the Fortune 10, as well as more than 50 government agencies globally. Our flagship offerings, Flashpoint Ignite and EchoSec, deliver actionable and AI-enhanced intelligence that's guided by one North Star. How can we help our customers identify and mitigate threats faster? And I'll give you a couple examples of how that manifests in the Flashpoint product portfolio. The first is around Flashpoint Ignite and the AI capabilities there. We've overlaid AI on our archive of finished intelligence reports. These are 14,000 plus intelligence reports that have been authored by our intelligence analysts over the last decade plus. And in a matter of moments, through a conversational interface, our clients can query against that expansive repository of finished intelligence reports and surface key insights. So it enables them to rapidly summarize intelligence, see key trends, refine their investigations. Similarly, when it comes to EchoSec, we've overlaid AI on our EchoSec OSINT data. This is data that's being pulled from a multitude of social media sources, as well as dark web. It's overlaying sentiment analysis. It's helping our customers quickly identify trends and patterns. So if they're, for example, navigating a geopolitical flare-up in a particular location, by leveraging EchoSec AI, they can shave an immense amount of time off of what they would historically be doing, which is parsing through a vast amount of data and trying to identify key trends, key takeaways, as well as other sentiment in that data. Another piece that we've focused heavily on is what we call automated source discovery. And ultimately, at the core of Flashpoint's thesis is that the best intelligence relies on the best data. And we also believe fundamentally that the most powerful AI is generated by the combination of powerful technology and subject matter expertise. Here at Flashpoint, we're fortunate to have an incredible analyst team, over 100 analysts speaking more than 35 different languages with deep domain expertise and deep technical expertise. And so we've paired those analysts up with our AI infused and supported collections engine to go out and launch discovery missions, launch hunt missions for new and relevant sources that align to our customers' intelligence requirements. By and large, threat actors are still in the experimentation phase, the tinkering phase, the exploration phase of how they will be using AI. Certainly one trend is lower sophistication actors leaning on AI to up-level their tradecraft, to up-level their operations. We've seen, for example, a 1,200+% uptick in phishing attacks since commercially available AI tools hit the market. Phishing attacks overwhelmingly rely on a variety of different social engineering tactics and playbooks, and we're seeing malicious actors clean up grammatical errors, look at ways to identify targets at greater scale by leaning on AI. Another area in which we're seeing AI leveraged is on the information operations side. So these are often attacks launched by nation states to infuse incorrect narratives into social media environments. And as a virtue of AI, uh, information operations have been able to leverage AI-generated media, both audio and visual, as well as video, to introduce confusion into the information landscape. That approach of generating media, audio and video and imagery has also begun to manifest in fraud-related activity. We see a broad array of different malicious actors who are leaning on deepfake audio, deepfake video in an attempt to social engineer both corporations in social engineering attacks to convince them to wire large amounts of money, and in some instances, those have been successful, as well as targeting financial institutions in support of those fraudulent activities. It's my view, and it's our view at Flashpoint, that a threat intelligence provider should be providing highly actionable, highly relevant intelligence. They should have a extraordinarily agile data collections engine that can pivot to an organization's evolving priority intelligence requirements. They should be well positioned to provide human expertise in collaboration with highly scaled and highly intuitive technology. They should support that with a robust community to ensure that there's a global collaborative community that can support intelligence sharing and intelligence insights across sector and across problem set. And that intelligence partner should be able to support multiple use cases through the lens of convergence. What we're seeing in the threat landscape is that cyber and physical threats are increasingly converging, cyber and fraud threats are increasingly converging, and you need an intelligence partner that can address that evolving threat landscape in a holistic and highly agile way. And then finally, when you're partnering with an intelligence vendor, you're not just selecting a tool or a technology, you're truly selecting a partner. And the fundamental underpinning of that is trust. You are bringing somebody in who is going to operate as an extension of your team, helping you often navigate some of the most impactful and sensitive problems that your organization is grappling with.